You ever been broke, staring at your Cash App balance, wishing it was magically $200 more? Yeah, us too. We've all been there. But don't worry, we're not here to sugarcoat things or promise get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, we're going to dive into some legit ways to potentially boost your Cash App balance by $200. Let's talk real quick about expectations. There's no guaranteed method to make $200 fast. If there was, everyone would be doing it. But with a bit of hustle and the right approach, you can definitely make some extra cash. Method 1. Sell stuff. We all have stuff lying around we don't use. Clothes, electronics, old games, books, it all adds up. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and even Craigslist can be gold mines. Take good pictures, write honest descriptions, and be patient. You might be surprised how much you can make. Method 2. Online gigs. The internet is full of opportunities. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer gigs in everything from writing and editing to virtual assistants and graphic design. If you have skills, there's a good chance someone is willing to pay for them. Method 3. Cashback apps. These apps reward you for shopping at your favorite stores. It might not sound like much, but cashback can add up over time. Some popular options include Rakuten, Swagbucks, and Ibotta. Combine this with couponing, and you could maximize your savings. Method 4. Side hustles. Consider offering your services directly. Do you love animals? Pet sitting or dog walking could be for you. Good with people? Try tutoring or babysitting. You could even offer to help with errands or yard work. Method 5. Online surveys and microtasks. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie let you earn money by taking surveys and completing small tasks. It's not a lot per task, but it can add up. Just be aware that these platforms can be time-consuming. Method 6. Rent out your stuff. If you have a spare room, consider renting it out on Airbnb. Or, if you have a car, look into platforms like Turo. Even renting out your clothes on Rent the Runway can be an option. Method 7. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, consider tutoring online. Platforms like TutorMe connect students with tutors. This can be a great way to earn money while helping others. Method 8. Food delivery. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub are always looking for drivers. If you enjoy driving and don't mind working flexible hours, this could be a good option. Method 9. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, there's a demand for content creators. Many businesses need blog posts, articles, and social media content. Method 10. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. If you're organized and efficient, this could be a good fit. Remember, making $200 fast isn't about getting rich quick. It's about identifying your skills, resources, and time, and then finding the best way to monetize them. Some methods will work better for you than others. Be patient, persistent, and willing to try new things. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.